With Gauss's law, we can easily prove that there is no net charge inside the conductor. The charges must reside only on the surface of the conductors. This is true for both solid and hollow conductors. Consider a cavity inside the conductor as shown here. Whatever the charges at the surface and whatever the electrical disturbance outside, the electrical field inside the cavity is zero. This is called electrostatic shielding. To demonstrate this effect, in 1836, Faraday designed a cage. It is a metallic enclosure that prevents the entry or escape of electromagnetic field. In this cage, if an artificial lightning jolt is created outside, the person inside not affected. A sensitive electrical instrument which is to be protected from the external electrical disturbance can be kept inside the Faraday's cage. You can find lot of real-life example of Faraday's cage. The metal shell in a microwave oven acts as a Faraday's cage. It prevents the microwave inside the oven from leaking into the environment. Coaxial cable used for television generally consists of copper braided shield underneath the PVC jacket that acts as Faraday's cage to protect internal conductors from the external knock and to prevent radio frequency leakage. The protective suits worn by the man working in hazardous high voltage environments are nothing but a type of Faraday's cage. Faraday's cages are also used in MRI scan rooms to prevent external radio frequency signals from causing any distortion to the data coming from the patient. Protective metal components of an aeroplane acts as a Faraday's cage to protect its passengers from external electrical discharge such as lightning. It is always safer to sit inside a bus than in open ground or under a tree. The metal body of the bus provides electrostatic shielding since electric field inside is zero. During lightning, the charges flow through the body of the conductor to the ground with no effect on the person inside that bus. Every application from laptop to refrigerator needs protection from the external invisible electromagnetic waves. A Faraday's cage can provide the protection they need. Let us thank Faraday for designing such a wonderful device.